A delicious start to your day. English conversations about breakfast recipes. Good morning, English learners. Are you ready to whip up some language skills in our virtual kitchen? Today, we're going to dive into the world of breakfast and morning beverages, focusing on sharing recipes and cooking tips. By the end of this video, you'll be able to have a conversation about your favorite morning meals and even learn some delicious new recipes. Before we can start discussing our favorite recipes, let's go over some essential vocabulary. Ingredients. These are the different food items you use to prepare a meal. Measurements. Words like teaspoons, cups, pounds, and grams. They're crucial when following a recipe. Utensils. These are the tools you use in the kitchen, like spoons, forks, knives, and spatulas. Cooking methods. Words such as boil, fry, bake, roast, and grill. They describe how you cook your food. Remember, being familiar with these words will help you follow along when someone is sharing a recipe. Now, let's walk through an example of sharing a recipe. For example, let's discuss a classic, scrambled eggs. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Whisk the eggs until the yolk and the whites are fully mixed. Next, heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Add a little butter and let it melt. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan and stir gently. Cook until the eggs are soft but fully set. Season with salt and pepper to taste. In this example, we can see the use of cooking methods and utensils vocabulary. Practice saying this recipe out loud to get comfortable with these new words. Once you can share a recipe, the next step is to discuss what you think about it. You can express your likes and dislikes and even share some tips. For example, I love the creamy texture of scrambled eggs. I prefer using olive oil instead of butter for a healthier option. A tip for fluffy eggs is to add a splash of milk while whisking. And there you have it. You're now equipped to share your favorite breakfast recipes and discuss them in English. Don't forget to practice these conversations, as practice makes perfect. We hope this video helps spice up your English learning journey. Enjoy your cooking and conversations.